Hi everyone, it's Miss Megan here and Grace Squirrel. And today we picked out a story for you about a dog and a cat who have to learn to get along. Sometimes sharing isn't easy, is it? No. Are you ready for the story, Gray Squirrel? All right, take a seat. Simon's New Bed by Christian Trimmer and pictures by Melissa Van Der Part. What do you think of your new bed, Simon? You like it? Bark, bark. See, Simon's the dog. Oh boy. Okay, Simon, let's go for a walk. You can try out your new bed when you get back. How excited is Simon about his new bed? Oh, he can't wait to try it out. Simon's new bed. Uh-oh. What's that kitty doing? Simon couldn't remember the last time he was so excited. This was going to be the best nap of his life. He quickly rehydrated. And then he sprinted to the room he shared with his best friend, the boy, only to discover a problem. Who's that? Excuse me, Miss Adora Bell. You're in the wrong bed. That's my new bed. Since politeness didn't work, Simon tried other methods to get Miss Adora Bell off his bed. He howled. Get off! He barked. Move! 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 He dragged her from his room, down the hall, into the kitchen, under the dining room table, out the back door, through the yard, up the front steps, and back to his room. But like all cats, Miss Adora Bell had a "you've got to see it to believe it" sense of balance. Then Simon tried giving her a taste of her own medicine. See, he's trying to sleep on Adora Bell's bed. Miss Adora Bell didn't seem to mind. He even tried to trick her. Still nothing. Simon realized he had only one option left. One shameful, embarrassing option. He begged, "Please get out of my bed." But Miss Adora Belle didn't move an inch. Simon was on the verge of tears. He had tried everything he could think of to get that mean old cat off his new bed. But what if Miss Adora Belle, how about if we share Simon didn't relish the idea of sharing his bed with Miss Adora Belle for his very first nap on it. But sometimes you have to pick your battles. Hey, Gray Squirrel. Look what Gray Squirrel has. Is that a fire truck? Yes, our Zoom next week will be with our friends from the fire department. So we're going to have a story on Tuesday at 10:30 with a real live fireman. And he is going to show us some of his equipment, maybe even a fire truck. So if you'd like to register, shoot me an email. All right, and then also you will be seeing a video for Read Across America Week. In a couple weeks, I will start, Gray Squirrel and I will return to our regular video story time here on YouTube. But definitely don't miss the fun events that we have coming up. Goodbye, Lily. Goodbye, Caden. Goodbye, Junior. And goodbye to Joshua. Goodbye, Ziva. Goodbye, Lincoln. Goodbye, Gino, Ashley, Harper, and Colton. Goodbye, Alejandro. Goodbye, Jeremiah. Goodbye, Josiah, Ava Rose, and Owen. Bye. See you next week.